10th question now. Two poles of equal heights. There are two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other. Okay, two poles equal heights. So first I will draw the ground level and the two poles opposite to each other. Okay, so that is AB is the one pole and the CD is the another pole, and both the poles are equal heights. Okay, so H will be same here. H is equal to what? H. There is a height of the pole is same. Okay. So these two poles are standing opposite to each other on or other side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. Okay. So this is the 80-meter wide is the road. So this is the 80-meter wide. 80-meter wide the road. Okay. Now what they said here, next point, from the point between them on the road. Okay, from a point between them on the road, let us consider the point between them on the road is, let us consider E. Okay, E is the point between them on the road. It is not compulsory that it should be a middle point only. It will be any point. You can take E anywhere. It is not necessary that it should be a middle point. Okay, they just say that what, from a point between them on the road, that's it, between them. It will be anywhere but should be in between. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 60 degree and 30 degree. Two poles of equal heights are opposite to each other, standing opposite to each other, and there is a point in between them. There is a E point. From the E point, there is an angle of elevation. We have to draw that from the E to C. That is the angle of elevation is, let us consider 60 degree, and from E to A, the angle of elevation is what, 30 degree. Okay, so here we have figure is completed, and we have to find out the height of the poles. We have to find out the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. Height of the pole we have to find out, and distance of the point from the poles. So distance of the point from the poles means DE you have to find out, as well as you have to find out the BE. Okay, DE and BE you have to find out. So DE I am considered as a X here. So can you say what is the BE? 80 minus x, correct. BE is equal to 80 minus x. So this is also question mark, and height of the pole is also the question mark. Height of the pole is the question mark. So here we have the now let us start with the problem. Two triangle we have to take here. So first triangle we have here, in triangle CDE. This is the triangle CDE. Okay, here we have the angle is 60 degree. This is CDE. H is the height and DE is the x. Okay, so let us start with this. So here we have the tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So here theta is 60 degree, perpendicular here h divided by base is x. So tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to h by x. So this x will cross multiply. So we'll get here h is equal to root 3x. Otherwise we have to find out h value, right? Otherwise no problem. Okay, h is equal to root 3x. H is equal to root 3x. Now one more triangle we have here. So in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, let us consider this is a triangle ABE. ABE. Okay, ABE. So in this triangle ABE, BE we know it is AT minus x, AT minus x, and AB is the height. So tan theta we know that perpendicular by base. So here theta is 30 degree, tan 30 degree, perpendicular here AB is nothing but h, base is AT minus x. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h divided by AT minus x. So 1 by root 3 is equal to h, we know values. What is the h value? H value is root 3x. So in the place of h, I will write root 3x divided by AT minus x. So now multiply root 3 into root 3 multiply, here AT minus x multiply, cross multiply. So AT minus x is equal to root 3 into root 3 become 3x. So AT is equal to 3x plus x. So AT is equal to 4x. So x is equal to AT divided by 4. So that is answer is what? 20 meters. So x we got here 20 meter. X is equal to 20 meter. That is a DE. DE we got here 20 meter. So still we have to find out the height here. Height easily will get because h we know that. So here we got h here. X we got. So what we have to find out now, h and DE we got here. DE is equal to x, that is equal to 20 meter, and BE is equal to AT minus x, that is AT minus 20 is equal to 60 meter, and we know that h is equal to root 3x. So in the place of x you have to write 20. So we got the height also, that is a 20 root 3 meter. So this is the height of the pole. So everything we got now here. DE also we got, BE also we have got, as well as height also we have got. So all the answers now here completed. Any doubt if you have, you can